UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has announced a fresh 4-week nationwide lockdown in order to contain the resurgence of the COVID-19 infection there. The Prime Minister said that England would go back into a nationwide lockdown after it passed the grim milestone of 1 million COVID-19 cases, and a second wave of infections threatens to overwhelm the health service. According to the UK Prime Minister, new restrictions have been made to prevent a medical and moral disaster for the National Health Service. The lockdown will come into effect from Thursday this week, will remain in place till the 2nd of December. The government will be reviving its emergency coronavirus wage subsidy scheme to ensure workers who are temporarily laid off during a New England-wide lockdown receive 80% of their pay.
The furlough scheme was a success in the spring. It supported people and businesses in a critical time. We will not end it. We will extend furlough until December. There will be some differences compared to March. These measures, above all, will be time limited. Starting Thursday, the 5th of November, they'll end on Wednesday, the 2nd of December, when we'll seek to ease restrictions, going back into the tiered system on a local and a regional basis, according to the latest data and trends. Christmas is going to be different this year, perhaps very different, but it's my sincere hope and belief that by taking tough action now, we can allow families across the country to be together.
Pubs, restaurants, gyms and non-essential shops will have to close for 4 weeks starting Thursday. Eateries serving takeaway food can stay open during this period, but unlike the restrictions in spring, schools, colleges and universities can remain open. The virus curbs will be eased and regions will return to the tiered system of restrictions after this 4-week period. Meanwhile, the leader of Britain's opposition Labour Party, Keir Starmer, lashed out at the government on Saturday, saying that they were too slow in introducing a second nationwide lockdown.
All of these decisions are too slow and too late. That was the major criticism of the Prime Minister in the first phase of this, and now he's making exactly the same mistakes.
UK citizens have largely accepted the new lockdown measures imposed by the Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Locals are hopeful that these strict restrictions will help the country return to normalcy ahead of the Christmas celebrations.
Probably needed. It's probably not what anybody really wants, and Boris probably didn't want to take that decision anyway. You know, it was bad enough, you know, back in March. So I think at the end of the day, we're just going to have to do it. Because otherwise, Christmas is just going to be a complete write-off, I think. So.